Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You got your FXRP boards and you can't find that bloody thing that goes on here. Okay, nightmare to get hold of, worth a fortune, 100 and something bucks just for one of them. Okay, you don't need any of that, and you also don't need to change this cable because you are gonna do away with this thing on here. Okay, your cam, whatever it is. Now, get your pedal, get yourself a regular Dyna shift rod. You can see here, this is a Dyna, and that will plug straight in to your FXR master cylinder. Okay, no ball, I've done it. You do not need to buy all that crap, rod from here to here to here to here to here, etc. So this is your best bet. It saves you a packet. The FXRP board's got to admit, cost a bomb, worth every penny. There's nothing that good for riding, to be honest with you. And if you want one of our shifters, this is a shifter that we do. Okay, you can see this clears the cover. And basically, you know, works fine. This is the shift mechanism here. So if you fit in boards or mids, this will work fantastic, okay? Work out round about 50, 60 quid plus the shifters. You know, this is the original and this is one of the fancy ones. But this bike is ridden, so I'm not too bothered what's what on it as long as it works. The old battery tender, charging point. This is the belt I've just done. New pulley on here, new seals in the bearings, grease them up, check the belt tension, take it for a ride. And as you know, FXR's the bollocks. If you want to work on these bikes, I highly recommend the handy lift as well. Awesome bit of kit. This is a tool tray, just clips on. I can move that wherever I want around the bike. Fantastic bit of kit. The foot pedal, fully refurbished. You can still get the kits for these old 91 lifts. This one's 14, 15 years old apparently. But there's a mini lift. The mini lift by B2 is the best. This goes under your bike, makes it completely safe. Okay. So any FXR bits, Harley bits, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, if we ever get the damn thing going. Thank you.